Okay, this is the pneumatic stack off the Gulbransen upright that I'm restoring. There's the valves. All this is glued together, of course. And to get these off, of course, this is from 1915, so all this, you know, fabric is going to have to be redone. Each pneumatic's got to be rebuilt, valves and all. So the best way I found to get them off is with a heat gun. Now, there's probably a better way. I tried steaming them, and that works well, but it makes a mess. It causes the shellac or the glue to melt and things to come apart that you really wish wouldn't come apart. So I think this is put together with like a hide glue, like a heated hide glue, and I think this heat seems to soften it. So I'm going to keep applying heat back here on this accessible side. Now right back here is where the bleeder is, and the bleeder tends to break right around the bleeder. So the more breakage you have, the more crackage you have, the more repair work you got to do. So I found that it's worthwhile to spend the extra time and try to get these off without any damage, so that you don't have to go back. So once I apply the heat, we'll see if that's, I'll tap it right here on the side. All right, it moved. We'll see what we got. Yep, it's all clean. Pocket's good. All right, so if you don't heat them properly, this is kind of what happens. See around the bleeder? On this one, I heated here and here, but I didn't heat this back side. And when it came loose, it left a deposit, you know, a deposit of wood. Now I have to go back and scrape that off and glue it back in place and make sure it gets a good seal, which is just another thing you're gonna, you know, have to worry about. But anyway, for me, this seems to be the cleanest and best way for me. If anybody's got any, you know, suggestions, or if they know of a better way, be sure, you know, let me know. This may be the only paint piano I ever, you know, restore, but and I've got this many left, and then I'm done. So by the time you tell me I'll have these off, I'm sure, but I still would like to know. So all right.